My screen might look a bit empty for you. That's because I wanted to show you what tabs you should have open. If we go to the View tab, it will show every tab you can open. I recommend turning on Explorer, Properties and the Output. The output will help you with your script, because it can show errors and more. Explorer is the most important one. It stores all the services. Everything has different properties, like color and transparency. Collision should be turned off, and I like to have rotate on 5 degrees. I have move on 0.5 studs. If we click here, we can add a part to the game. If I scale this, it will move 0.5 studs each time. And it will rotate 5 degrees. Here we can change the color, with this inbuilt palette. We can change the material. And transparency. You can play around with the properties as much as you want. Hold Shift and Scale to scale every side. Now I will show you the most used services. Workspace is where everything you can see in-game is stored. Players is where some of the players' information is stored, like their backpack. Server Script Service is a service we can store scripts that is meant for the server. Starter GUI is where we put our GUIs. Now we will start coding, but first we need something to code on. Print will be written in the output whenever we tell it to.
It will print what we put between these.
We need to rename one of them. Otherwise the script won't know which one we are mentioning. First we need to mention the game. The game is everything. You can think that in the workspace every part is the child to the workspace, and every service is a child to the game. Then we mention the service we want, in this case workspace. We want part 2, so first we have to mention the model it's in, then the part itself. Now we can change the part's properties. Add the property behind like I did. I did the transparency, so now I will have to pick the transparency I want between 0 to 1. I write this with equals number. Now I will add a weight, so we can see it in action. Just write weight inside the brackets as the number of seconds it will wait. Now I will change the brick color. If we want to change the color and then change the transparency, just add another line. Now we can just repeat this to change different properties. I will change the green part's transparency to 1.